Let's create.
Chuletas Ahumadas en Vino Rojo, or smoked pork chops in red wine.
First thing you're going to do, you're going to put some salt. And these ones are a little bit thick. So you put some salt. Make sure they're room temperature. Flip it. And what you're going to do, you're going to do on the other side. And I'm going to leave them outside for about 30 or so minutes. So the salt create the osmosis process. Right now, the salt is going to be absorbing some of the liquid from the pork chop, and then after 15 minutes, going to start releasing it. So I'm going to give them 30, maybe 40 minutes. It's been about 30 something minutes. So I'm going to put them here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric, kind of creating a sazon, you know. Now I'm going to put some smoked paprika. Making it smoky, huh? I like to add a little bit of vinegar. And you can do this overnight. I'm not. Just a couple of caps. And a few drops of extra virgin olive oil. Mix things up. Also going to get a little bit, just a little bit of garlic powder. No garlic salt, garlic powder. And look at this baby. You can do an hour before, you can do this overnight. It doesn't matter, okay? If you put them in the refrigerator, when you put them out, make sure they're outside for about 15 to 30 minutes to get room temperature, okay? I have a cast iron which I've been preheating. Going to put the pork chop. I didn't add oil or anything because these babies are ready. So I cover it because I want the smoke, el humo, ahumada, to do some cooking, okay? Look at this baby. See how the smoke? Let me turn them. I did 5 minutes on one side. And I'm going to do about 3 or so minutes on the other, right? Maybe 4 minutes. Cooking them with the smoke. I'm going to remove them now. And I'm going to let them rest, okay? Let them rest. So I scraped some of the excess stuff from the pork chop. I got a cup and a half of red wine, drinking wine. I have the heat on medium, by the way. Bay leaf. I'm going to add a little bit of saffron, you know, a few strings. And I have a couple garlic teeth. What I'm going to do is going to mince it. And then going to add the pork chops now, okay? Look at these beauties, huh? And I'm going to let this wine take care of business, okay? Also going to cover it because I want the smoke process to continue. It's been 15 minutes. And look at this baby. Absorb the wine. And now it's time to get them out, okay?